Hi everyone, welcome back to the ingredient channel. Here I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes and occasionally introduce authentic and unique ingredients. Today we're going grocery shopping to pick up some fresh long beans, which we will then use to make mouth-watering pork buns. Ready? Let's go! If you've been to a Korean or Chinese grocery store, you've probably seen long beans in the vegetable section. Unlike green beans, long beans are, as the name suggests, long and thin. There are typically two kinds, one with a darker green color and another with a lighter color and softer texture. Despite the slight differences, they taste quite similar to me. Fast forward, we're back to the kitchen. To prepare for the long beans, remove both ends. Wash thoroughly, cut to rings, as thin as you can. Then blanch the long beans in boiling water. Spray a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Let it boil for about 2 minutes after boiling. Do not cover the lid. Soak the beans in cold water. These two steps will retain the green color of the beans. Drain and set aside. 1.5 pound of skinless pork belly meat. Dice. We also need 1/2 pound of ground pork. Set both aside. In a heated pan, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Saute the pork belly, medium heat, until the fat comes out and the meat turns brown. Add in the ground pork. 2 tablespoons of sweet bean sauce. 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Stir fry a few more times. Switch off the heat. Add Minced ginger root, 1 teaspoon. Minced scallion, half a cup. And some 5 spices. Mix. Spray about half a teaspoon of salt to the blanched long beans. Mix a few times. Add in the meat, then mix thoroughly. The long beans appreciate more oil than other veggies, so don't mind the graze, please. Now we got the fillings. Let's move on to the wraps. Follow the ingredients on the screen to make the dough and let it rise at room temperature for 2 hours or more until the size doubles. Then a pinch of baking soda, knead evenly, and let the dough rise for another 20 minutes. Then separate the dough into 12 equal parts. The more you knead the dough, the smoother the bun will be. Take one out and roll into a round pad. Make sure the center is a little thicker so the fillings won't leak. Until the edge of the wrap turns to about 1 millimeter thin, then it's ready. Add enough fillings at the center of the wrap. If this is the first time for you to make buns, add less fillings so it is easy to wrap up. Use the right hand to lift and pinch while the left one helps folding. Reverse if you are left-handed. Once you finish all 12 buns, let them sit in the steamer and rise for about 20 minutes. Then turn on heat, steam on medium heat for 25 minutes. Switch off the heat and wait for 5 more minutes. Open the lid, drip some cold water around the buns to help lifting and transferring them without sticking to the cloth. Then reward yourself with the delicious buns. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed this simple recipe while becoming more into the rich Chinese food culture and the unique ingredients. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy cooking.